Yo, welcome to Physics with Vinay. I am Vinay and I'm back. I'm back with exciting news. A lot of you have emailed me कि कब शुरू होने वाला batch 2 of the crash course. So batch 2 of the crash course for JEE Advanced 2023 is live and available for enrollment. The lectures will start on December 12th, जो Monday है, and lectures will be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. हर लेक्चर के बाद you will get homework from the Pathfinder book. The Pathfinder book is a recent book and contains very nice different type of questions. जहाँ से very similar questions have been coming in JEE in the recent years. In fact, modern physics से एकदम सीधे question, direct question आया था इस साल के 2022 वाले JEE Advanced में. So that is the book I'm going to be using to give you homework, and the homework will have full video solutions for all the questions that I give you as part of the homework. We're going to start off with the first lecture. न्यूटन्स लॉज से शुरू करेंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू गो इन ऑर्डर. न्यूटन्स लॉज मंडे को, जैसे दिसंबर 12 को न्यूटन्स लॉज का फर्स्ट लेक्चर आएगा, वेडनेसडे को सेकंड लेक्चर आएगा, देन वील गो ऑन टू सर्कुलर मोशन एंड वर्क पर एनर्जी, एंड यू कैन सी द फुल शेड्यूल ऑन द कोर्स पेज. यू कैन चेक दैट आउट ऑन योर ओन. Enrollment process is very simple. You can go to vinayopal.com and just select the crash course batch 2 in order to start the enrollment process. Or you can directly go to the course page, जिसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाला हुआ है. If you are sure that you want to enroll for the crash course, I suggest कि you get it ASAP because it is at a discounted price right now, और थोड़े 1-2 दिन के लिए रहेगा वो discounted price. So if you are sure, then go for it as soon as possible for you. So this crash course is going to be a detailed revision of the full syllabus of JEE Advanced, including the new chapters that have been added for JEE Advanced 2023. So that is also very important. वो भी मैं डिटेल में कवर करूँगा. For more details about the enrollment process and कैसे doubts वगैरह clearing होता है, I put in a video which was the video for the enrollment of batch 1, but same ही process है for batch 2. उसमें I have also shown you कि कैसे doubts वगैरह clear किया जाता है. There is a very efficient process for that, and we have run batch 1 very successfully so far. Batch 1 started on October 31st and अभी तक हम लोगों ने जो कवर किया है मैकेनिक्स, थर्मोडायनेमिक्स एंड इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म इज गोइंग टू गेट ओवर नेक्स्ट वीक. उसके बाद वी आर गोइंग टू गो ऑन टू ऑप्टिक्स, मॉडर्न फिजिक्स एंड सो ऑन. तो बैच 1 इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल फॉर एनरोलमेंट इफ यू वांट. सो डिफरेंस क्या है कंटेंट में? देयर इज नो डिफरेंस. बैच 2 में द लेक्चर्स आर गोइंग टू बी रिलीज्ड ऑन अ डेट बाय डेट बेसिस. सो जैसे दिसंबर 12 को न्यूटन्स लॉज का फर्स्ट लेक्चर रिलीज होगा, दिसंबर 14 को न्यूटन्स लॉज का सेकंड लेक्चर रिलीज होगा, December 16th को circular motion and work per energy release होगा according to a fixed schedule. So you can plan out your entire 2 months. 2 months लगेंगे crash course खत्म होने को. So you can plan out your entire 2 months according to the schedule of the crash course. Alternate day, Monday, Wednesday, Friday lectures will be released for you. Then you have to solve the homework and then you can check the video solutions as well. Batch 1 जो भी lectures अभी तक cover किए हैं, they are all available to watch if you enroll in batch 1. So suppose you want to go straight to rotational dynamics or maybe thermodynamics. So you can, then you go for, I would suggest you go for batch 1. तुमको you will have access to all the chapters that have been covered so far. तो पूरा mechanics हो चुका है, पूरा thermodynamics हो चुका है, electromagnetism is going to get over next week. Current electricity तक हम लोगों ने खत्म कर लिया electromagnetism. So that is your choice, up to you what your needs are. I will recommend personally batch 2 because उसमें order में जाता हूँ. I'm going in order mechanics से फिर thermo. So because I use concepts that I teach, जैसे work per energy वाले chapter में जो मैं concept use करूँगा, सिखाऊंगा, वो आगे जाके use करूँगा. Newton's laws में कुछ मैंने concept सिखाया तो आगे के chapters में use करूँगा and so on. But if you don't want to wait for the chapters to get released and you want to go, you have your own schedule that you want to go according to, you want to access the later on chapters earlier, to go for batch 1. The choice is yours. So that's it for today. I'll see you in my crash course and I'll see you at the top. Good night.